In this video, we're going to look at factorizing trinomials. Now, you have done the basics before, but we're going to look at a few of those before we get on to some more advanced trinomials. So to start the first one, we've got x squared plus 5x plus 4. Now remember, the method that we need to use is we first look at the 4 and we find the factors of 4. Our factors of 4 are 4 and 1 and 2 and 2. I need to find the combination that will add to give me 5. So that will be 4 and 1. So my brackets will then just be x plus 4 and x plus 1. X squared plus 7x plus 6. Again, I want to find my factors of 6, which will be 6 and 1 or 3 and 2. Now, which combination will add to give me 7? 6 and 1 will give me 7. So I'm going to choose that combination of numbers. Now, both signs in the trinomial are positive, so both signs in the brackets will be positive. So we'll have x plus 6 and x plus 1. Let's look at a third example. The only difference with this one is we have a minus 5x, but let's see what effect that has. So again, I want my factors of 6, which are 6 and 1 and 3 and 2. Now it is positive 6, so I still want to add my numbers to end up with 5. We're going to talk about the negative in a minute. So which set of numbers will add to give me 5? Well, 3 and 2. So my brackets will contain a 2 and a 3. Now we just have to change the signs. Because the middle sign is negative, both signs must be negative in the brackets. So I will have x minus 2 and x minus 3. What happens if the final sign is negative? Let's see what we have to do that's different. First of all, again, we'll find our factors of 6, which will be 6 and 1 and 3 and 2. But this time, because of that negative, we need to subtract the numbers to end up with 1. So if I subtract 6 and 1, will I end up with 1 or 3 and 2? Well, if I subtract 3 and 2, I will end up with a 1. So in my brackets, I will have x and 3, x and 2. Now, because of that negative at the end, my signs will be different, and I need to decide which is positive and which is negative. Well, the sign in the middle goes to the bigger number. So it says positive x in the middle. So the bigger number is 3. So it will be positive 3 and negative 2. Let's try another example where we have a negative at the end. This time we're looking for our factors of 12. Our factors of 12 will be 12 and 1, 6 and 2, and we've got another one, 4 and 3. Now, because of the negative, we need to find the set of numbers that will subtract to give me 4. We're not going to worry about the negative at the moment. We'll talk about that just now. So which set of numbers will subtract to give me 4? Well, 6 and 2. Now, I want to end up with negative 4. So the negative must go to the bigger number that of the two numbers that I've chosen. So I've chosen 6 and 2, and the bigger number is 6. So in my brackets, I will have x minus 6 and x plus 2. X squared minus 7x minus 8. Again, I need a negative 8. Alright, so I need my factors of 8, which will be 8 and 1 and 4 and 2. Now again, because of that negative, I'm going to subtract my numbers to end up with 7. So the numbers I should choose are 8 and 1. Now I want to end up with a negative 7. So the negative must go to the bigger number. And in this set, the bigger number is 8. So my brackets will be x minus 8 and x plus 1. Pause now so that you can copy down these examples. Thanks for watching Max Maths. If you liked what you saw, please like, share and subscribe.